Commander 35, the cow, the
Battle Group Commander, Battle Group 35.
The deployment of Battle Group 35 has been quite a testing and challenging experience, but the courage and resilience displayed represents the finest values of professionalism in soldiering. The Atmis leadership genuinely appreciates the work, culture of the UPDF Battle Group 35, a trait and as a result of the UPDF strong background in military training.
In a special way, I want to thank Battle Group 35, whose commander is here, and the Uganda Peoples Defense Forces at large for the sacrifices and dedication to the restoration of peace in Somalia.
thank you very much. Sir?
Empresso, Balawinol, and Runway.
Martin Nandechi Pova.
Sir.
I want to assure you, it's doable, and you will do it. There is nothing much which you can't do. It's all about commitment, consultation, and teamwork.
Commanders.
871, Lieutenant Colonel Elias.
Tafuta certificate yake.